Alright, does your car have a little scratchy or the wheels a little curb rash? Well, I got a little touch-up paint from a product called Evooor, and we're going to test it out. See you soon.
Alright, like I said in the intro, this is the Evooor Touch-Up Paint. Now, they actually have two different models, one for the wheels and one for the paint. So I'm opening up the ones for the wheels here. I have the 20-inch black wheels, and later I'll show you the touch-up paint for my car. So if you nick your curb rash and you just want to cover it up with a little bit of paint, this is what this is good for. This product is not perfect. It's not going to cover it up like it's brand new, but it does get rid of the blemish. So once again, this is for the wheel, and the red at the bottom is the touch-up paint for the actual car. It comes with gloves, little brushes, and a little light sandpaper so you can scuff up the surface. Now, this is my friend's tire here. As you can see, he has a really bad curb rash. Looks very ugly, so we're just going to kind of buff it out just a little bit and then cover it up with the paint. And like I said before, it's not perfect, but it does beat replacing an entire wheel. Okay, now we're just cleaning the rim with the included microfiber towel, and then we're going to go ahead and put the paint right over. So just shake up the tube very well and just lightly apply the paint right over the rim. If you look around at all Teslas, most of them have curb rash scars, and you would have to completely change your rim to get it fixed permanently. So this is just a nice way to cover it up, and it's hard to see from a distance. Here's another really extremely deep gash we see here, so we're just going to slightly buff it out a little bit, use the microfiber towel to clean, and then same thing, just lightly put some paint right over it. And like I said, you can do more than one layer if you'd like. Alright, now switching over to the paint, same thing, clean and then apply just a little bit of touch-up paint. You could let it dry for a minute or two and then use the microfiber towel to go over it again, and then apply a second layer. Here's me finding another gash on my car. I'm going to go ahead and use the brush this time just to fill the holes. As you can see, that works very nice. Gotta love it. Look, you're going to get these on your car unless you put PPF all over your car. These are going to happen, and it's nice to have some touch-up paint to fill in the little holes that you get. And then same thing, you can take a microfiber towel right over it. Once again, it's not perfect, but you know what? It looks a lot better than it did. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end this video. That was the Evooor Touch-Up Paint for Teslas, for the rims and for the paint. Thanks for watching.